now. So I want all of you to open your chat section wherein I've pasted few chat links. So first link is of syllabus link. You can check your syllabus over here. In case you have not enrolled yet, no need to worry. You can complete your payment process and you can join the batch. Yes, we are always welcome to take up the feedback. You can just click on this, share your feedback form and we'll get it. You have complete right to know in detail about your batch. So you can click on this all batch detail link and you'll get to know. In case you have any further queries, always email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com. You can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. You can watch this demo, which will be live on the Facebook. So in case you find an internet glitch and you will not be able to join us back by Zoom, no need to worry. You can watch this demo, which will be live on the Facebook. Okay. So with this, now I would like to invite your mentor at the platform for a just quick introduction, and then we'll be going to move back towards Megha for the presentation. Okay. So your mentor's name is Miss Neha Singh. She is a wonderful mentor. She's having the conceptual clarity. Her classes are very engaging and interesting. You know, from how long she's in teaching profession. She's into teaching professions for a good 7 to 8 years, and she's been taking Olympiad classes and international Olympiad classes, also mathematics classes. Okay, so with this, over to you, Neha ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Okay, we will interact in the upcoming sessions. Okay, right now, just let me speak and you all listen. So, many of you have mentioned your favorite topics, lines and angles, integers. Okay, in the upcoming session, I'm going to ask you the questions from all of your favorite topics. Okay, so let's start today's session. Today, we will be discussing about data handling. Okay, what is data handling? Basically, when we organize data, okay, in a particular format, organizing the data. Because suppose if I'll ask you that you had a maths test, okay, suppose you had a maths test in your school, and if I asked you that among the 40 students, how many scored means if I asked every student how much you scored, and means just one by one, everyone is saying that, ma'am, I scored 48, I scored 98, I scored 50, I scored 52. Then that data is a raw data. Okay, that is not in an organized form. But suppose if I make it easy, if I say, okay, please tell me, raise up your hands, how many of you have scored in between 20 to 30? 20 is less. Okay, let's take from 40 to 50. So how many of you have scored in between 40 to 50? How many of you have scored in between 50 to 60? How many of you scored in between 60 to 70? So that is the organization of data. Means you are representing the data in a well organized form, so that will be easy for you to just see how many students have performed above, means how many of them have scored more than 90, how many of them. So this organizing data and just reading out, representing this data is called as data handling. What we are going to understand in this data handling, what are the way, this is the part of statistics. Okay, so what are the terms related to statistics, then we are going to deal how to represent, because these data handling concepts, that is going to be represented in the form of bar graphs. When you will be coming to the higher classes, you have to learn about histograms and pie charts. Okay, right now maybe only bar graphs you have to study. So these all are the pictorial representation of representing the data. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so what
Okay,
is
so
data?
now you all got to know that which topic you are going to cover. So you just need to wait for a few more seconds, and then we will be going to continue with the teaching part. Okay. So Megha ma'am, can we have a presentation on the screen, please?
All right, I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. So, Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its kind yearly program that include courses that matter, We are having 8 courses, School Plus program, Mathematics, English, Science, Logical Reasoning, Communication, Spoken and Written, Vedic Maths, and Coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes from grade 2 to grade 12, and one-on-one preparation classes for various Olympiads. You can meet our rank holders. These are kid like you only. No need to worry. You need to spare extra 2 hours from regular curriculum because Olympiad examination is quite little tougher than the regular curriculum. We are having live Olympiad sessions, group session with around 20 students, delivered through Zoom by tutors with significant teaching experience. 3 sessions per week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday from 8 p.m. till 9:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break. This session includes topic-wise revision and discussion on previous year papers. Student will get the reading material and practice question, which will be available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And student will also get a free access to Olympiad Success platform to practice the topic-wise mock test. So syllabus is available on this particular link, and the fee of this course is rupees 11,151. It is a 50 session course and payment can be made by using this link. This fees includes online class, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year paper, and access to Olympiad Success platform. What else you require? A laptop or desktop with good internet speed and headphones for the better audio clarity. So live classes will be starting from 10th of June 2020-25. In 2020-24, Olympiad Success has students from more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about informative PPT. I hope I'm clear to everyone. All right, over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So let me share my screen with you all, wherein we'll be going to dive into the dashboard, that how we all can have access of our material. So for this, you need to enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com. Over here, you will be going to enter your email ID with which you will be going to register with us. Okay. After signing in, you will be going to get your profile details. Check it in case you find an error, you can rectify it. Click on live classes, wherein you'll be going to get your entire material, select your subject, and of course topic. So you can see everything is customized and designed for you for your better and easy understanding. So schedule is for your reference, wherein you'll get to know in which session you're going to go which particular topic. So each and every topic is bifurcated in different set of sessions. Once you're done with one particular chapter, you will be going to have a test day also, right? So for that, you will be going to get a mock test before a day. So you can complete your test at home, and in coming session, you can discuss that paper with your mentor in the class, along with the doubts in the particular chapter, right? Olympiads are meant for more and more practice and your boost your speed. So in last, you can see there's per classes. In this, you're going to cover up previous year papers. So here is a holiday calendar for your reference. Already we are living in North, so we do have festival holidays. So we don't want you to miss any of the session. So here is the reading material. So there are different sets. I'll be going to show you just one set as of now for your preference. So you can see there are chocolate questions also. Okay. So here is the practice question for that particular topic. Okay. So I recommend you just download the paper first, then check your answer keys. Don't download your paper and answer keys parallelly, okay? So here is the answer key for your question paper. So you can check how much do you know about the particular chapter. Otherwise, you can ask from a mentor also. For more practice, you can click on worksheets, wherein you'll be going to get your worksheets. Click on subject, and here you'll get the worksheet. So how to attempt this worksheet? Click on take exam. Read instructions. Select this box, start worksheet. Read question, fill the answer. So let's see how many of you know the correct answer. So read your question quickly, tell your answer in the chat box, and the lucky one will be going to get it filled. Hurry up. Let's see how many of you know the correct answer. This much time are we going to take? Shall I fill on my own? Okay then. So this is, I'm not very much sure about this answer. So this is how you have to fill your correct answers. And once you are done, you can submit your worksheet. For that, click on finish button. Yes, I've reviewed all the questions. And the best part of our platform is the moment you're done, you can check your answers parallelly. For that, click on performance button. And of course, select your subject. And today is 3rd of June. So I can see the performance. Click on view button. And here you go. So both answers are incorrect, right? So that's pretty much about it. Make sure that whenever you are doing it, you should practice it properly beforehand, okay? So let me log out and let me stop sharing my screen. So now we are open for the QA round. If anybody is having any doubt, needed clarity, feel free to drop your questions in the chat box. We'll be happy to answer you each and every query. If not, then we'll be good to go with the demo. Any doubt? Anyone needs a clarification? Welcome, Kalpana. I hope you're joining with your name. If not, please rename yourself. Any doubt? Pallab, Laksh, Harshit, Vani, Shweta, please turn on your cameras. Yes, Saira? Yes, Saira, I have unmuted you. You can speak up your doubt.
Yes, ma'am. So, what is the name of the link that we need to click on so that we can access the website?
Okay. I'll be sending you in the chat box once again. Okay. The link name is olympiasuccess.com. Okay. I've sent everybody in the chat. Anybody else? Krishiv, Rithon, Harshita, Aman, Punsha Singh, no, Laksh, Pallab, Shweta, Anshuman. No? Okay, then we are good to go for the demo. Over to you, Nihama.
Okay. So we were about to discuss about data handling. Okay. What is data handling? As they are, it's mentioned that it is the collection of the data and presenting in a proper, well organized form. Okay. When the data is unorganized, it is called as raw data. And when it is processed in computer, when you will means suppose if you are learning computer sciences, then this processed data is called as information. Okay, but in mathematics it is called as data handling. Data can be represented in various forms through numbers, pictures, tables, graphics. Okay, but the most common way of representing this data is bar graphs. Okay, now here you have to learn about certain terms: mean, median, mode, and range. Okay. Suppose if I said that there are, let me explain you with the help of example. There are 5 students, okay? 5 students whose mathematics marks are 80, 82, 82, 85, again 82, okay? Suppose I said that there are 5 students whose marks are 80, 82, 82, 85, and 82. Then what is the range? For finding the range, the very first thing that you should know, that what is the range. So what will be the range? First, you have to arrange this 5 data in ascending order. Okay, arrange it in ascending order. So 80, 82, 82, 82, and then 85. Okay, this is the ascending order form. We have arranged it in ascending order. Now, just subtract the lowest mark from the highest mark. Okay. Lowest mark from the highest mark. 85 minus 80 and 5. That will be the range of the marks. Why? Because number is varying in between 80 to 85. So for finding the range, what you have to do? You have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order format, and then you have to subtract the lowest from the highest number. Then you will get the range. Okay. Now, what is mean? If I ask you what is mean, you know what is mean? Mean is the term used for average. What is average? You have to add up all the numbers. Okay. Add up all the marks. 80, 82, 82, 85 and 82. Add up all the 5 marks and divide it by 5. Means sum of numbers, sum of terms. Terms means sum of all the numbers upon number of terms. How many students have scored these marks? 5 students. You will get the mean. Now, what is median? Again, arrange it in ascending order. Again, arrange it in ascending order. See, median, you have to find it in 2 ways. Okay. If odd number of observations are there, odd numbers, okay. If odd numbers of observations are there, then the middle value, okay, this middle value will be the median. Got it? If even number of observations will be there, means suppose if one more student is there who scored, suppose 78. Just a minute, let me change the pen. Okay, there was one more student who scored 78. So how many number of observations are there? 2 numbers of observation are there. In middle, 2 observations are there. For even number of observations, you have to add the middle of the 2. 82 plus 82. Okay, whatever. Suppose here both the numbers are same. So you have to add both of the numbers and divide by 2. Who is doing all these things? May I know? Who is annotating on the screen? Okay, you have to add up all the 2 numbers and you have to divide it by 2. For odd number of observation, arrange it in ascending order and then get the middle of the value. For even number of observation, just pick 2 middle values. Okay, pick 2 middle values, add both of them and divide it by 2. You will get the median. Now, what is mode? The number that is repeated more number of times. Okay, see here, 82 is repeated 3 times. We have 82 3 times. So this 82 will be the mode of the data. Okay, the data that appears frequently, okay, mostly in the given set of observation, that will be the mode. So what are the 4 things that is required to know? Range. So what is range? Arrange it in ascending order. Highest minus lowest, that will give you the range. Then mean. Mean means sum of observation upon number of observations. You have to divide the sum of all the observations by number of observation. Then what is median? Median, you have to again arrange it in ascending order. If number of observations are odd, you have to pick the middle value. That will be the median. If the number of observations is even, you have to pick the 2 middle values. Okay, add them and just find their average. That will be the median. And what is mode? The data, the observation that has repeated frequently, that is that has occurred frequently, that will be the mode of the given um, observation. Okay, any doubts in this? If you have any doubts? No? No? Okay, fine. Now I just told you what are median, mode. Okay, now who is going to tell me what will be the mode of the given data? Yes, 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 yes. Who is going to tell me what is the mode of the given data? Okay. You can write in the chat box, I think. Quickly. Anyone? Yes, Aman. Aman, you can write it in the chat box, bacha. Type in the chat box. I'll see the answer. What is the mode of the given observation? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, Kunsh. Very good, Laksh. And one more student. Just very good, Saira. Okay. So all of you know what is mode. You just learn what is mode. The number of 26 has repeated 3 times. So that will be the mode of the given observation. Very good. Yes, the answer is correct. Very good. Next question. What will be the median of the given data? Yes, who is going to answer? Quickly. Yes, who is going to answer? Leave it. Let's see this. Huh? What we did? We arranged the data in the ascending order. 32, then 34, then 35, then 36. 35 is 2 times, then 36. Okay. First of all, let's calculate how many observations are there. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. Odd number of observation, it will be damn easy to find the median. Just arrange the numbers in increasing order. Okay. So you arrange it, find out the middle one. Middle one is 36. So that will be the median of the given data. Okay. Fine. Now, what is this? Yes. What is the range of the given data? That I want to know. Yes. Who is going to answer? What will be the range of the given data? Quickly. I'm waiting for the answer in the chat box. Okay. Okay. Somebody has answered. Wait. Check. Just wait. Yes. Very good. 37 because the highest value is 42 and the lowest value is 5. So when you subtract the lowest from the highest value, you will get the range of the given data. Okay. Now, yes, 37 is the correct one. Now, this is a bar graph. As I told you that this is the pictorial representation of data in the form of bars. Okay. Just like the bar of Kit Kat. Huh? Everyone like Kit Kat, huh? Whose favorite chocolate is Kit Kat? Oh, wow, Kunj. I can't see most of them, but I hope many of them have their favorite chocolate as Kit Kat. Okay. Who raised the hand? Just okay. Fine. Wait. Yes. So this is a bar graph. Okay. What they are showing you that how many number of shoes are sold. Okay. And this parameter is showing you what are the different months. How many shoes are sold in the month of January? How many shoes are sold in the month of February? In the month of March? In the month of April? In the month of May? And see, by this bar graph, we can conclude that in the month of January, okay, sorry, by this bar graph, we can just conclude that, just a minute. Yeah. In the month of January, number of shoes sold were 180. In the month of February, number of shoes sold were 210. In the month of March, it was 150. In the month of April, it was 90. In the month of May, it was 120. Okay. So, in order to represent the data in the form of these bars is called as bar graph. Okay. Now, let's come to the next one. Okay. See, let's solve the question. Let's solve one question. Okay. Study the following graph carefully and answer the following question. 3 different products produced by a company in 5 different years. Okay. What was the total number of all the products produced by company in 2006 and 2008? Let's solve it. Okay. So 2006 is this one. 2008 is this one. We have to just calculate all the products. Okay. Means that should include compact disc, that should include pen drive, that should include keyboards also. So what were the number in 2006? Let's study for 2000. Let's do it for 2006. So in 2006, how many CDs were sold? 10. But the number of products, it's not 10. It is 10,000. They have mentioned that number of product in 1,000. So if it is 10, it means it is 10,000. Okay. Then how many pen drives were sold? In between 5 and 10, we have 7.5 and 7.5 in terms of 1,000. So it will be 7,500, 7,500. Okay. What will be the number of this? What is keyboards? That is 15,000. Add it. So it's 32,500. Okay. Now let's calculate for 2008. So what is the number of CDs that is sold in 2008? 25,000. Then number of pen drives sold were 30,000. Then number of keyboards sold were 20,000. Okay. Add it. 75,000. Now add it here. Okay. 1,07,500. This will be the correct option. Okay. In this way, you have to solve the questions. Any doubts? Anybody is having any doubts? Okay. See, this was the first class. So basically, we have to focus on the concepts. In all the classes, we have to focus on the concept. But soon you're going to learn that how how fast, how you have to solve the questions with accuracy. Okay. Anybody has written? Okay. Just a minute. Please let me know if anybody is having any doubts. Just okay, these are the questions that we have to do. Okay, now who is going to answer this question? Which month has the maximum sale? Actually, I'm not able to see the chat section also. 8 new messages. August. Okay. Okay. Very good. Yes. And if total sale is 3,25,000, then total sale in March and November is? Actually, leave it. This will be the long one. Okay. We'll do it later. Let's see if anything else is left. That's it. Do you have any doubts? Anybody is having any doubt? Okay. No one is having any doubt in this topic? No. Okay. But when you're this was the concept based class, okay? When you will be resuming for the daily classes, the level of difficulty of questions will be higher, okay? There you will be learning how to solve the questions by seeing the options, how to do it very fast, how to do it with accuracy. You have to maintain the speed. The level, the difficulty level will increase little more, okay? Fine. Yeah. Pooja ma'am? Just a minute. Harshita, one ma'am is here. Megha ma'am?
Yeah. Yes, Neha. What happened? Yes, Neha. What happened? Yes, Neha. Tell me what happened.
Ma'am, that means I just completed the topic.
Okay. All right, everyone. So, how did you find the demo? Quickly type it in the chat box.
Ma'am, I don't know whether I'm not able to hear you or everyone not. Because your voice is little low, ma'am.
Can everyone hear me now?
Yes. I can hear.
Okay. So, how did you find the demo? Quickly type it in the chat box in one adjective. Was it good, average, excellent? Saira has any doubt? No? All clear? Super good. Great. Nice. Good. Okay. So, I hope you all have a links. So, let me copy paste links once again. So links have been pasted in the chat box. So in case you have not enrolled yet, quickly copy paste these links in your notepad somewhere and you can enroll for the batch. Okay. Till then, bye bye everyone. See you. Take care. Bye everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.